Good morning, Kalispell. I hope everybody is doing fantastic here today. So I just want to let everyone know we did get back from our training over in Coeur d'Alene. Both Dr. Gillen and myself are now Focus certified practitioners. It is a great, phenomenal program designed by Dr. Amy Spolstra over there, all about helping kids with neurodeflective issues. So today we're going to talk about this thing called the nervous system. So we always receive a lot of questions on this. So I'm going to do kind of like a brief little rundown of the nervous system and what we do. So sorry if it seems like I'm jumping all over here with my eyes today. I'm testing out a new camera setup. We'll see how the video turns out. So the purpose of chiropractic care is to help remove interference from the nervous system so the body can function optimally. As the nervous system controls and coordinates every function within our bodies, as it does in animals, a comprehensive understanding of how it works is vital to what we do. The nervous system is a complex network of nerves and cells that transmit signals from the brain and spinal cord to different parts of our bodies. So what Dr. Gillen and I do is we examine the body as a whole while assessing the nervous system function and potential compromises or neurostructural shifts or subluxations in the spine. So now we're going to go over a quick little introduction of the central and peripheral nervous systems, and we hope you find this very helpful. So in vertebrate species, the nervous system consists of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The major parts of the central nervous system, also known as the CNS, are the brain and the spinal cord. This is the body's control center where sensory information is received, processed, and acted upon. There are approximately 100 billion with a B neurons in the brain's gray matter. You can look more up on that if you want to know more about that. So this is the area that controls higher mental functions. So things such as consciousness, memory, voluntary actions, and lower body functions such as respiration, digestion, heart rate, things of that nature. The spinal cord, whoops, my computer is jumping around here like crazy. The spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular mass of bundled neurons that extends from the brain, so way up here, all the way down to your tailbone. It's comprised of approximately 31 segments. Each contains a pair of spinal nerves, and these are some of the most important nerves in the body. Wow, this thing is just going crazy on us here. Oh, man. These are some of the most important nerves in our bodies. They act as on and off ramps, so coming to and from the spinal cord. These relay the nerve impulses throughout the body and help integrate our reflexes and stimuli. The peripheral nervous system in the chiropractic world. So the smallest units in the nervous system are neurons, little itty bitty tiny things, with their specialized cells that send signals in the form of electrochemical impulses, so electrical or hormonal or chemical impulses, rapidly and precisely to other cells. Long fibers called axons, so that's generally what people think of when they think of nerves, in the peripheral nervous system, can form neural circuits and networks that inform our behavior and perception of the world. The peripheral nervous system consists of the somatic nerves that mediate voluntary movement, so like I want to move my hands around, and the autonomic nervous system, which functions without conscious effort. Things such as sweating, like you can't just tell your body, hey, I want to sweat now. Nerves in the somatic system connect the brain and spinal cord with the muscles and the skin's sensory receptors. The autonomic system is further subdivided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic and enteric systems. you hear us talk a lot about the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems, which is what we measure with the Chiropractic Leadership Alliance equipment, or the CLA equipment. The sympathetic division responds to stress and emotion. We always talk about stressors to the nervous system. And it will also respond with changes in respiration, heart rate, stress hormones, cortisol, and digestion. The parasympathetic nervous system, or portion of the nervous system, works to return these functions to equilibrium when the body's at rest. So it's often called the rest and digest portion of the nervous system, and the sympathetic portion is called the fight or flight portion of the nervous system. The enteric nervous system works mostly independently to regulate digestion and function of the digestive organs. So how do we apply this? So if we're able to correct and improve the nervous system's function through regular chiropractic care, it's been shown to improve function. But more than that, because all body function is controlled by the nervous system, adjustments made throughout your chiropractic career or chiropractic span can result in better overall health and wellness. This is because all of the body's organs, systems, muscles, and other tissues require proper nerve flow for them to function as intended, or to function normally. Subluxations, or neurostructural shifts in the spine, inhibit the central nervous system's ability to transmit signals to affected areas, which can create imbalances and functional problems elsewhere in the body. Chiropractic care, or chiropractic adjustments, help correct subluxations so the body can function at its best. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free, shoot them over to us in a message, and we will do our best to get back to you. Have an amazing day, Kalispell.